This Merten Storck carbon steel frying pan heats very quickly and evenly, so searing steaks or crisping vegetables feels reliably controlled on any stove. Because it is significantly lighter than a comparable cast iron skillet, it is much easier to maneuver one-handed, whether you are flipping omelets or moving from stovetop to oven. The factory seasoning lets you start cooking right away, and with regular use, the surface builds a slick patina that releases delicate foods like fish and eggs with minimal sticking. Its compatibility with induction, gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, plus safe use on grills and campfires, makes it a versatile choice for both indoor weeknight dinners and outdoor cooking. The sturdy steel handle, secured with 3 strong rivets, feels solid and secure when tossing food or lifting a full pan, even when you are wearing a bulky oven mitt. Durable carbon steel construction stands up well to high heat, metal utensils, and frequent use, so this pan can realistically serve as an everyday workhorse in a busy kitchen.